Hello, this is Erin Fisher, Technology Integration Facilitator for the East Bridgewater Public Schools, and this is an overview of how you can get your settings correct so you can use your Whiteboard app on your Touchview Generation 5 and send your Whiteboard notes to your Google Drive or anything you build inside your Whiteboard. So if you are using the Gen 5 and you're using the Whiteboard app and you are signed into your Google account, your Android settings are all set, which are in a separate area, Android settings on mobile with your Google account, and you're still not able to access your Google account on the Whiteboard app to send things to your drive, it may be because of your API controls. So you're going to want to go into your admin panel if you have access, security, API controls. When you go here, this is a new update, so this wasn't present before. This makes it much easier. Prior, you would need to go in and grab the app and then manage your access to that app. However, because it was on the Android and it wasn't working through Chrome, it actually wasn't hitting the app access control as being one that needed request for access. So if we go into our settings here, and if it's approved within your district, you actually can go into this unconfigured third-party apps and you can set some different parameters around those that are older than 18 versus those that are younger than 18. And you can set it so that those that are older than 18 can have access to the third-party apps. It will still ask for those permissions. It will still ask if you're allowing different apps access into your Google Drive. So if that's not okay, do not set that for your district. But if you are looking for that and want to get that Whiteboard app permission on your Touchview, then you can set it like this, and you can set it back later if you want, but save it, and then that will allow that Whiteboard app to then choose the Google account to send to your drive. And that is how we solve that problem. Reach out with any questions. Thank you.